Before I get into the entire review of the HOROW N30, I'm gonna tell you the top 5 features that I love about this smart toilet. So the first thing that caught my eye is the premium look, but it installs like a regular toilet. I've been wanting a smart toilet in here, a smart bidet toilet to be specific, for a long time. But in 1961, when this house was built, they weren't thinking about electric toilets. We've come a long ways, people. So now the fact that this is battery operated, I didn't have to worry about running electrical all the way in here, which would have been an absolute nightmare. Now, number 2 is the fact that it is a built-in bidet. It's a built-in bidet with the front and rear cleansing. Enough about that. Well, more about that later, actually. So along with the fact that I didn't need an outlet is the fact that it looks so sleek and modern, and yet kind of understated in a way. Also, I like the simplistic premium look of this toilet. Number 4 feature is the powerful 800 gram MAP flush rating, and it is powerful. Just kick it with your foot, by the way. And this thing sucks. Ooh, look at that go. The other thing that's important to me is cleanliness. So number 5 is the design of this is easier to maintain with a nano glazed surface. It has self-cleaning nozzles and a quick release seat, which is pretty cool that I can quickly release these seats to clean them. But the big question remains, can a non-electric toilet really deliver the features most people want from a smart toilet? Well, let's get into the actual video.